Hi, I'm Kev from Sensei.com. This video is a little bit different. We've got a correspondent that is prolific on our YouTube channel by the name of Stephen. By the time you're watching this, mate, your birthday was probably about 2 or 3 weeks ago, so belated happy birthday to both of us. You've asked about the blocks from a seated point of view. So just for you, we've got a two-parter. This is part 1 of seated blocks. As usual, my old mucker Chris, hello mate.
Get down with your bad self. What I'll be doing, I'll be demonstrating the standard K Masters International blocks, and Kev will be demonstrated from the seated position.
Okay Steve, so you're going to look at the blocks in a wheelchair. I'm going to turn just slightly to the side. Brakes are on. First block, if the cane's across here, they're going to bring it up and you're going to bring it high above your head. I tend to have one hand and one hand open. What we're looking on here, if Chris does it towards Dan, if Dan's got an open hand and he's just going to come down with a nice big punch, now you've got two bones in your arm. You put your palm flat and turn your thumb over. That bone that goes over the top, it radiates over the top, so they call it the radius. Bone underneath is called the ulna. That will definitely break the ulna. But Dan has got a weapon, and Chris blocks at the same point. He's hit the ulna, but the weapon's come over and clogged him. So Chris will change his angle of block, and as the weapon comes over, he's actually aiming for the weapon. Now, wood on wood, I would take the cane any day, even with a baseball bat. If it's a machete, we're going to do a different thing. So again, block comes up to the roof, but I'm going to angle slightly one end. The end that I'm angling, I'm keeping my fingers out of the way of the cane. The idea is it strikes and deflects across. Now if it's a weapon, and Chris does the actual roof block with the slant, you can see if he puts pressure on there, Dan, it's sliding off. Takes the power of the weapon away. You're still going to be a bit dubious if that's a machete coming at you, or they've got a bladed weapon or a bit of glass. You're going to be a little bit dubious with it, but it does work. And again, what you do on one side, you do on the other. Just remember to change your hands over. So the downward part will always have the open fingers. These are your roof blocks. When we come into the second lot, we're looking at more the side. Cane flicks up. Again, I like an open palm, and you're just going left and right. Okay? And you're deflecting anything that comes off centre. So, if Dan open-handedly is going to punch Chris with his right arm, you can see, and then punch with your left arm, friend, so the camera can see it. Deflection. This opens up loads of little bits that we'll go into at a later stage. The last block we're going to do on this little section, you've seen before, is called the windscreen wiper. The reason I like this, the pressure goes into your chair. You've got your elbows in, your hands on the cane, and again, it's left and right. You can have the crook up, you have the crook down. Crook up for me because the rubber tip on the cushion gives you a bit more stability. This is more close in. So if Dan does it, I'll take your cane, mate. Dan does a double-handed grab, and watch Chris's windscreen wiper. There's a lot of power there. Also opens up for more attacks. Because I know you want them, don't you? So these are the 3 blocks. Just to start you off, there's more to come, and we'll be going from inside to outside and lower blocks on the next video.
With all things, it's good to have a practice drill for this, so this can be very simple. Just those 5 blocks. I know the strikes which are coming in, but it gets you used to moving to where you need to be. Later on you can freestyle it, so I don't know what will be happening, but just to start with at the moment, we're going to know. So we're going to come in with our downward. We can do one block to the side, then we can windscreen wiper one way and then the other. So I've just done these blocks with a strike, and it gets me used to feeling impact on the cane and continuing on with the motion.
Thanks for watching. If you've got any comments, put them down below. And remember guys, this video was made for Stephen because he put on the comments that he wished to know the blocks from a seated wheelchair position. So we do listen to you. Write them down below and give us a thumbs up.
If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Don't forget, ring the bell for notifications. And as always, free the fit.